Hello everybody, my name is Kati. How are you? We're fine, thank you. Welcome everybody to watch it. We're gonna propagate today 2 plants. House plants, green house plants from cuttings. Welcome everybody to watch it, how it happens. Equipment. This is old pot and I wash it with soap. And the tray, same with tray. This is old tray but very good for transplant and pruning. We have 2 plants here, 2 house greens, and we are going to plant them. First we have cut those leaves, and these have been inside the water about 3 weeks, and now you can see there are quite beautiful roots. I have changed water quite often, and here we have this kind of roots, not long but strong. They seem very strong. Here we have roots. Here you can wait for excuse me, longer time if you wish. Here are not. The last one here is good. Cuttings. We are calling these cuttings. I took 5 cuttings and 4 of them has developed root system. Little bit, tiny little, but I think they will survive. Now we put cuttings back to the water till we are going to fill the pot at first with drainage stuff. Half of it. that. And then the soil. And then we put soil in it and water it. That. Now it looks like this. This is dry, so before planting we moisturize it. So we're gonna see if the drainage is working. Yes, it works. You see here on the plate the water. It means your drainage is working. So now we are ready to plant the cuttings. We plug their hole. Like that. And I put this without roots. There too. If it will die, I will take it out. Like that, and then we gently push, so they will stay there perfectly. And after that we are going to moisturize again, but I'm gonna take this water out of here. Like that. Moisturizing again. This is wet. And when we see the water on the plate again, it's ready to go. So how do you like it? Oops. Would you like to do this kind of work? And here you can see our mother plant of it. How long stems and veins it has. It was a tiny little when I bought it from somewhere, I don't remember. And now we are going to remove the new next to old one, next to mother plant. And we have baby coming here, and we're gonna love it and care it with tender. Maybe you can see here better. The light is coming through, so I cannot record it very clearly, but there it is with his mother. The whole summer, and then I'm going to remove the cuttings inside on the sunny window sill. Here's the lily, and here's the money plant, heart plant, whatever you call it in English. All right, and now I found to you some information about propagation of houseplant. And I found this plant is named money plant, family Araceae, Latin name Epip remnum aureum. Interesting. From French Polynesia. From Europe. Not bad. Live inside between 5 to 10 years, but depends of maintenance, care, fertilizing and proper watering. Loves medium to low indirect light. Cut. To get cuttings for propagation, trim a 4 to 6 inch piece just below a root node. Cutting will have 4 plus leaves at least. Can be done in water or soil. So I did this propagation in water like you saw it, but you can do it in the soil. Good for this money plant is good for popular and known for bringing positivity, prosperity, and good luck to the area. That's great. For Feng Shui and strong effect on the financial well-being. That's why we say it money plant. Purifying and energizing the house by filtering air and increasing oxygen flow. Yes. Keep in a warm spot, ideally above more than plus 10 Celsius degrees. These are for living room or main door entrance. Keep in a warm spot. And keep it southeast corner of the room for attracting luck and prosperity. Yes. Ruled by planet Venus and Lord Ganesha for wealth. We really love this money plant. Epiremnum aurum. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed the video and we hope you joy and good relationships, and we hope you good gardening. So please share and order our channel. You can see more, and thank you for watching again. See you on the next video. Bye bye.